Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use the Toolium Cutter. Here I have a master clip of an interview. Here are the source time codes. This is a clip of an interview that has been transcribed. I'll throw the clip onto a timeline. If you have multiple clips, you can throw them all onto one single timeline. Then export the file to an AAF. In the AAF, choose Link To for both video and audio and export the file. Here is my docx. It can be any type of docx as long as you have a column for timecode and a column for text. Here I've highlighted 2 sentences in the transcription. I'll upload the files. So I go to our website toolium.org/cutter, drag the docx to the top drop zone, then drag the AF to the bottom drop zone. Processing. And here I got my file back. Save it. I'll import the file into Avid Media Composer. Here you can see the first sentence I've highlighted.
Toolium Cutter do. The cutter basically takes a transcription document and edits an.
And here you can see the second sentence I've highlighted.
The cutter can be used for pretty much any type of content that has a transcription.
And that's all there is to it. So drop by our site, toolium.org/cutter.